Tired of feeling like your time disappears into a black hole? Today, we're going to show you how to supercharge your productivity by connecting Clockify, the free time tracking tool, with Notion, your all-in-one workspace. Get ready to ditch the time tracking headaches. First, head over to Clockify and make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one, create an account, it's free. Next, we need your Clockify API Key in Clockify. Navigate to your profile settings, you'll find your API key there. Copy it, keep this key safe and never share with anyone. Now, let's jump into Notion. Open the Notion page where you want to track your time data. This could be a project page, a task list, or even a dedicated time tracking dashboard. Paste the API key you copied from Clockify underneath the pasted API key. Write out the project name you wish to track. This is where the magic happens. Create a new property in your Notion database, name it Track Time, and set the type to formula. You'll need a special formula that utilizes the Clockify API to pull in your track time. Paste the following formula into the editor. Be sure to replace the placeholders for the API key and project name with your actual values. The specific formula will be in the description below. Now, watch as your track time from Clockify automatically populates in your Notion database. The time will automatically update. You can now visualize your time data in various ways within Notion. Create charts, summarize time spent on different projects, and get a clear overview of your productivity. Integrating Clockify with Notion unlocks a whole new level of project management. Now you can accurately track your time, visualize your progress, and stay on top of your goals. Let us know what you think in the comments below and subscribe for more Notion and productivity tips.